Dear Ms. Vorsteher, Mr. Kruse, Consul General, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Hamburg to the International AI Summit. You just heard about the potential of ChatGPT. My office staff tells me the results are terrible. Good speeches and letters can only be written by well-educated and sufficiently paid personnel. I asked ChatGPT if this is really true. It had a very polite answer. As an AI language model, I can assist you in generating text, which can be particularly useful for brainstorming ideas or getting started with a draft. However, if you prefer more personal touch, or if you require specialized knowledge or insights that an AI might not possess, you may still find value in collaborating with human writers or editors. This is just a small example of what AI is capable of today. The development and daily use of AI-based technologies like ChatGPT is increasing rapidly. The Axel Springer publishing house has just announced that it will integrate AI into the production of Bild, Germany's largest newspaper. AI is being used in many industries, industrial, manufacturing, mobility, healthcare, and it's becoming big business. AI has great potential also for government. The city of Hamburg is exploring use cases in which AI systems can support the work of public officials, for example, in the city's tendering process. The Senate Press Office is working with a startup to automate the translation of website text into easy language to make important information accessible to people with reading difficulties. But we know from the history of technological progress that opportunities and risks go hand in hand. AI can be misused. That's why the European Commission has proposed a regulatory framework for AI, which is now being debated in the European Parliament. So there's a lot to talk about. Business, benefits, and ethics. And you chose Hamburg to do it. As the mayor of the city, I would like to mention that we have been awarded the title of Germany's smartest city by Bitkom for the 4th time in a row. Hamburg is the center of the digital economy with German headquarters of international players like Google, a very active startup ecosystem, and excellent universities and research institutions. So, our city offers extensive networks for AI-centered and AI-interested companies and experts, most notably AI for Hamburg, which is organizing this event. Another is the AI Center Hamburg, a major cross-sector initiative for the promotion and sustainable use of AI in the Hamburg metropolitan area. Recent projects include conversational AI such as ChatGPT, supply chain optimization, and cybersecurity. So that's what I plan to say so far. I just wish you all a very informative Congress. I hope that you have a lot of interesting discussion, meet many new partners, and also enjoy your stay in Hamburg. All the best for you.
Appreciate it.